Here's a side hustle that probably nobody you know is doing, and it can make you up to 6 figures. And there's no risk in trying it because it's free to learn. I went to Upwork.com and typed in YouTube ad specialist. This guy right here is making $100 an hour. He's earned $50,000. $80 an hour, earned $50,000. $35 an hour, $20,000 earned. $95 an hour, $60,000 earned. The reason why these guys are earning so much is because they're specializing in one specific thing. Google Ads Guru, expert SEO copywriter. You can learn these skills for free. Go to Google Skill Shop and click on Google Ads. Here's a free training where you can actually get certified. Then go back to Upwork and post yourself as a Google Ads specialist. To learn how to make money online step by step from an expert, click the link in my bio.